Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cher's World. And it's been a minute, guys, like a hot minute since I've done a video. That's because I've been focusing on my TikTok and I've been doing shorts. I'll leave my TikTok right here if you guys want to check it out. Also, we're doing a what's in my bag today. So cute. Look at this purse, you guys. I'm obsessed. Do you see the hearts? This is so cute for Valentine's Day even. Oh my God, I'm obsessed all year round for me though. But she's cute and we're gonna see what's inside. Quick disclaimer, if you don't like pink, then I would just exit out the video right now because there's gonna be a lot of pink in here. I'm going through a pink era, a pink phase, if you will. So if you don't like pink, then yeah. And there's my daughter. Look, she even has pink on. She's so cute. Anyways, yeah, so let's jump right into this video. Also, if you're interested in anything in this video, like the purse, not anything, the purse, and also check out my shoes, you guys. I have these adorable hot pink or Barbie pink shoes. Everything is on my TikTok. The purse and the shoes will be on my TikTok if you're interested in buying from TikTok shop on my page. It's all there, so y'all go check it out if you're interested. You don't have to, but I would love the support. But yeah, y'all check me out over there. Let's jump into what's in my bag. You want to say hi?
No.
Say hi.
Okay.
No, hot tea, baby. Hot tea.
Baka.
I honestly don't know how long I have because I'm a busy mom of a 1-year-old. As y'all can see, she's turning 2 on the 22nd of this month. So exciting. Okay, let's jump in, guys. So that's a little preview of what's in my purse, okay? First things first, something super important, my wallet, and pretty basic and simple, of course. Next, because I'm a content creator, we have my little tripod. I love bringing this. This thing is so cute, so convenient. And this is the video tracking one, so it's like the motion tracking. It tracks your like movements. It's really cool, so it moves the camera with you. So cool. Love that. Next, I have my lotion full size because I don't have a mini one and I need lotion because my hands get so dry. As a mom of a toddler, good Lord, I wash my hands like 20,000 times a day, okay? Comment if you feel me or if you know what I'm talking about, okay? Next, we have my Juicy Couture perfume that my husband got for me for Christmas. Y'all, if y'all know, you know. This is an OG scent, an OG perfume. I absolutely love it. And Juicy Couture is kind of coming back in. The purse is kind of giving Juicy Couture vibes, right? Like, look at it. It's so cute. It's fuzzy, but it's not like the fuzz that like flies off. It's like good quality. I'm obsessed, okay? So cute. So cute. Okay, anyways, next I got my selfie light. This goes onto my phone. It clips onto it, so super convenient for lighting in case I'm filming it in a dark area or if I just want extra light. Oh, that reminds me, I didn't even turn on my ring light that I'm filming with, but I guess I don't need it because I'm sitting in front of the door, so it's fine. It's fine. Next, something else super important, my car keys, and how cute my little things on here. I got this from a family member, and then I got this little poofy ball, so cute. I have a little whistle, and I think this is like a bottle opener, and I don't know what else, but so cute. Some of these little charms I got from Temu. Next, I got 2 hand sanitizers because girls need choices, right? I got Sweet Pea, and then I have Japanese Cherry Blossom. 2 yummy scents. Oh my God, I gotta smell them now, y'all. Oh, so good. So good. And they have a little bit of pink. This one's red and then pink. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Next, I have these little blue light glasses. I got these from Temu, guys. These are so fun and cute. I feel like a teacher or like very studious. Speaking of studious, here's my little journal, guys. So this is actually a journal that I designed. Actually, it's a sketchbook, but I use it as a journal. Yeah. I have some stuff here in the beginning. I also draw in there and like I jot down notes and things like that. So yeah, super fun. Love this. I was trying to find one of my little drawings. Hold on. Okay, never mind. Let's just not. Okay, I love doodling. I love doing these types of flowers, but yeah, super cute. It says, "Don't copy my art," okay? And then it says, "I am art, I am art." So I designed these on Amazon. If you're interested, the link will be in the description. I love my little journal. I also have my little sketchbook. I have journals as well. Oh, and this is the back, by the way. Very unique design. I came up with it. I love it. But yeah, check it out on Amazon.com. They're very affordable too. Next in my bag, oh, and I have a pen to go with my journal. I'm always thinking of content ideas, so I like to have my journal with me to jot them down. So yeah, this is like my little makeup bag here, but I have like random stuff in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I got these adorable hair clips. Like they're super cute. Oh! Okay, there we go. Super cute little claw clips. They're like this like teddy bear soft texture. Love these. I'm always looking for stuff to clip my hair up with. So I have a couple of these in my purse. So cute. These are also on TikTok Shop. If you're interested, I will be posting that video very soon. And then next I have this right here. So cute. This is just like a little clear pink or transparent pink claw clip as well. Like I said, I'm always clipping up my hair, guys. Curly hair, y'all know. Now today, these are not my natural curls. My hair was in braids yesterday and I just took them out. And braid outs never look good, but low key, it's kind of giving today, low key. All right, next I have my little lip oil from Dollar Tree. You guys, this stuff is so good. Like listen. Okay, Dollar Tree is leveling up. Okay, like, do we see the shine? Because I do. Next is my Kylie Jenner lip color. This is in Dolce K. Obsessed with this. This is my perfect like mauvey brown color. Obsessed, okay? Love that. Next, we have a little EOS balm. Nothing crazy, but the lips are always dry, so that's why I need those in my purse. Oh, and I completely forgot. This is my little keychain my mom got me with my little cup that y'all saw in the beginning for Christmas. My little mug, she got that for me with this. So I need to put this on here because this is actually so cute. Let's clip it on my keys real quick. How cute. Now we are like super pink actually. So my mom knows I love pink. So she got me that little coffee cup in the beginning and this little keychain was attached to it. How cute is that? And that is it. That completes what's in my purse, you guys. So here is the purse. Again, if you're interested, you can get it on TikTok Shop on my TikTok page. Everything will be linked in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have missed making content for YouTube so badly. I just have been busy with a 1-year-old, raising her and focusing on shorts because they were just much simpler and easier to do. But now I'm back, you guys. Give me ideas for videos. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much again for watching this video, taking time out of your day. I really appreciate you. And as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.